Okay, so my Crown Vic at 197,000 miles started to run rough at acceleration, as like it was stumbling or hesitating just a little bit, and that caused me some concern. So I expected an engine light to pop up, so that would help me out a bit. But for a while, an engine light didn't pop up until just this morning when I was looking under the hood for any visual evidence of anything wrong with it, and I took it out for a test drive. I actually checked the transmission fluid. It was quart low, and put some transmission fluid out, took it for a test drive, and lo and behold, the engine light pops on, so that's good. So what I can do now is hook up my $20 Chinese OBD2 scanner and find out what's wrong with it. I have a sneaky suspicion I already know what's wrong with it, but let me just see if this confirms it. So what I'm going to do is turn the ignition on, okay, and all the lights go on. Of course, the engine light's going to stay on, and got my $20 scanner right here, and let me push the enter. I don't know if you can see that. It says wait, read. Oh, we got 2 faults. And hit that. See if we find out what the fault is. 1 fault and 1 pending, I guess, whatever. Oh, that's it. It's P0302. It's 1 out of 2. And P0302P. I guess it's pending, whatever. I don't know. Maybe it gave 2 different readings or whatever. But the 302, P0302, is a misfire in cylinder number 2. And the way you find that out is you just plug it into the computer. Just put OBD2 reading P0302, and it'll come up misfire in cylinder number 2. And at 144,000 miles, it is time for this baby to get a new set of plugs. So that's probably what's going to happen. Oh, that is what's going to happen. But for now, I want to dig through my box of goodies and see if I have a spare Crown Vic spark plug and coil pack to put on number 2, so I can take that code off just for now, and order a new set of plugs and coil packs for it, because it's due, well overdue. So that's the game plan for today. So that's what we're going to do today. So thanks a lot. See you later. Bye.